My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video, once again, we are talking about Digibyte. Digibyte is one of the best cryptocurrencies, and especially in this video, I will show you the Digibyte Crazy Move. It is time occur in the Digibyte. So please, before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently this time price of the Digibyte DGB coin. 0.139214 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the DGB. I hope that they take a high jump in the future, friends. But if we talk about the price changes occur in the DGB, so absolutely the price change is going very positive. The last 1 hour change is going positive 1.87%. The last 1 day change is going very highly positive, and the last 1 week change is also going positive, friends. The whole changes occur in the DGB as positive, friends. Let me show you the biggest pump on the biggest crazy move of the Digibyte on the screen. As you can see here on the chart, you are watching this time the DGB Crazy Move. Absolutely a best jump occur in the DGB at this time. And if, friends, if we look the price change occur in the DGB, as you can see here, they're taking a high jump from the previous last 1 day. I hope that they continue this jump throughout the whole month. And friends, if we look the changes occur in the DGB, so absolutely the changes occur in the DGB is going positive 5.95% changes occur this time in the DGB. And if we talk about the highest price of DGB coin Digibyte, so absolutely the high price is 0.14069 USD dollar is the highest price of the DGB. Absolutely, that's going to the moon if you're a holder of DGB. So please don't do this mistake. It's time to hold DGB coin, and I hope in the future that will give you good amount of profit. What's your prediction about Digibyte? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.